This is my Ninja BN801. I use it to make smoothies, I use it as a food processor, and I use it as a smoothie maker blender. And let's take a closer look at me making my morning smoothie, and let's talk about it. So if you want to take a closer look at the Ninja, let me just go through all of the components. Here is going to be the lid. This lid is the standard Ninja lid. You'll find a similar lid on a lot of the Ninja blenders. So Ninja is really trying to solve that problem of, do you have to open up the lid to shake or to stir the frozen food? Well, no, because if you ever have this on and you close it, your Ninja will not work if you take off the cap. So remember, your Ninja does not work unless you have the lid secure. You're going to lock this into place. That's very simple to do. You just lock it into place, and you're going to have your number of presets, as well as this is going to be the food processor bowl. The food processor bowl follows similar criteria. They also put a little cap on the top just to release air, as well as if you have to add anything inside. So here is going to be the food processor. It is a 64 ounce. You have another blade here. This is going to pretty much make quick work out of anything you put inside. And if I want to make dough, that's also very easy because I have a dough churner, and this will churn the dough. All you have to do is add the flour, the water, and the activated yeast. If you want to close the lid, make sure to line up the arrows and just press it down and close, and then your container will be all ready to go for your food processor. So the cool thing about the Ninja, it is coming with a Auto IQ kitchen system. So that means you have 5 different presets. You have smoothie, ice crush, extract, chop, dough. You have 3 different speeds on the bottom, and then you're gonna have pulse. So if I have nothing in here and I was just to press the button, you can see that's the preset. And it's pretty loud. You can see there's a timer. If I want to stop it, I could just press the power button. If I want to do ice crush, that's just gonna see 60-second timer. It's for ice crush. You have extract, again the timer. You'll have extract. So all of these presets do something different. Ninja is very good at crushing ice. We're just gonna open this, and I got my ice here. Now, it's easy for everyone to see if I just add a little bit of juice. So we're gonna add a little bit of dragon fruit juice inside. And let's put all the ice. There's our ice here. All right, so we're just gonna press ice crush here. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. All right, so our ice crush has finished. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna take our cap off, and you can see that that is our ice. It's easy to remove your blade right out of the container. We can place that to the side here. I'm gonna fill up our little jar. And the beauty is, since I took out the blade, I can get my spatula real deep inside. You guys see my spatula real deep inside. Here's our little smoothie, or ice treat. And here is our delicious ice treat that we just made using our ice mode on our Auto IQ. All right, so now that we've made our ice drink, let's make a smoothie. So the secret of this is that not only can you make a smoothie using something like that, but you can use something like this, which is going to make easy work and make it similar to a fit blender from Shark. So this is going to be very similar to a Shark. This is going to be very similar to a Ninja Fit blender. So all we got to do is load it up. Gonna make some of our strawberries. We only need a handful. We're gonna put in our banana. We need just a little bit of this, which is gonna be our collagen protein. That's gonna act like a binder. And we got a little bit of oat milk. Don't need a lot. So this is going to be our smoothie mix. We're going to close it up now. We're going to place it inside of our blender. And so once you lock it in, your menu display should stop blinking. You have it on. All you got to do is press smoothie. And that is going to be the entire process. We're going to unlock it. We take it out. Now, this is the actual blender part. So I just want to get the smoothie maker part, the smoothie down. It's going to look absolutely delicious when I take it out. I know I'm very creamy. This does a great job. It pulverized everything, as you can see. I mean, look at that. That looks like sorbet ice cream, but it's really smoothie. And if I want to drink it, I could just take the lid, pop it on. Now I got my drink to go and I'm ready to drink it. So here I am. I'm going to take a sip. Absolutely delicious. Everything is pulverized. This is just like a Vitamix. I really like what this tastes like. And with that, thanks for watching, everybody. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.